Split by Attributes Geoprocessing tool in ArcGIS Pro is available on a basic license and can be found in the Analysis toolbox in the Extract toolset. The Split by Attributes tool splits an input dataset by unique attributes. A feature class will be created for every unique combination of attributes from the split field's parameter value. So let's take a look at the parameters. First input is a table or features. It is the input feature class or table containing the data that will be split into the target workspace. The target workspace could be a folder where the output would be shapefiles, or it could be a file geodatabase or even an enterprise geodatabase for examples. The workspace must already exist. The split fields parameter will allow users to input the fields in which the split into the new feature classes will be based on. So let's go see this tool in action. I have a data set here of over 43,000 points for the National Inventory of Architectural Heritage for Ireland. And if I open the attribute table, I want to separate the points by county into individual feature classes. I'll close the attribute table. I'm in the View tab of the ribbon, and in the Windows group, I'm going to select Geoprocessing. I'm going to go to Toolboxes, and in the Analysis tools, I'm going to expand the Extract toolset. I'm going to open the Split by Attributes Geoprocessing tool. My input table is my NIAH point layer. I need to set a target workspace. I have prepared an empty file geodatabase. I'll click Browse, Folders, and I'll navigate to my file geodatabase, which I'll highlight, and click OK. Now you can split by multiple fields. Here I'm simply going to split by county. And I will run the tool. The tool is complete. I go to my catalog pane and navigate to the file geodatabase and expand. I can see all the feature classes that have been created by the Split by Attributes tool. I can highlight them all and add to the current map. And we have successfully used the Split by Attributes tool to create an individual feature class for each unique attribute from the county field. If I open an attribute table for one of the newly created feature classes, the attributes from the original feature class are maintained.